You also can play like this, just changing one note per chord. I've been teaching this technique for years, and this really helps beginners to sound like a pro. It's easy, powerful, and now it's your turn to learn. Let's dive in. This technique, my friends, it's called SUS chords, suspended chords, which means we're gonna replace one note that are already in the chord to a new one, to another note. And to do that, we have two types of SUS chords, SUS2 and SUS4. So here I have the C major. If I play like this, I have the SUS2. And if I play like this, SUS4. Major, regular, SUS2, SUS4. And how to do that? Let's get started with the SUS2 chords. For that, first you play a regular major chord, for example, C major, C, E, G with C. Doesn't matter if you play just the single or doubling the root, like this. And then you go to the middle note here and just down 3 keys. So 1, 2, 3. And then you have the C sus2 chord. So C major, C sus2, C major, C sus2. One more, G major. So G, B, D with G. Same thing. Go to the middle note over here and then down 3 keys. So 1, 2, 3. Now we have G sus2. So G sus2, G major, G sus2, G major. What you are doing right now, if you count those notes, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we are replacing the third with the second. Third, second. That's it. And if we are playing minor chords, for example, E minor over here, E, G, B, the only difference now, you have to count down only 2 keys. So 1, 2. E sus2, E minor, E sus2, E minor. One more, A minor, A, C, E with A. So again, go to the third, the middle note in the root position, and go down 2 keys. 1, 2. You have A sus2, and then A minor. For the SUS4 chords, almost the same rule. So you play again the major chord over here, go again to the middle note, and now you have to count 2 notes just going up. 1, 2. And then you have the C sus4 chord. So C major, C sus4, C major, C sus4. Now we are replacing the third with the fourth. One more, G major. So the same thing, found the third, the middle note, and then count 2 keys. 1, 2. Now we have G sus4. So G major, G sus4, G major, G sus4. And for the minor chords, again, E minor, E, G, B. Now we have to count 3 keys just going up. So again, middle note, and then you count 1, 2, 3. Now we have E sus4, E minor, E sus4. One more, A minor, the same thing, found the middle note and then count 3 keys. 1, 2, 3. A sus4, A minor, A sus4. And basically, you can think like your major or your minor chord. And then going down, you have sus2. Going up, you have sus4. Same thing for any chord. So G major. Going down, G sus2. Minor. Going up, G sus4. Minor chords, the same thing. Here we have E minor. So E sus2, E minor, E sus4, and so on. And the real power for this technique, my friends, it's when you apply this thing to a song. As an example, I will use the song Every Breath You Take by The Police. And by the way, if you're looking for a piano course, especially for beginners, I'll leave a link of my course in the description down below. Back to the lesson, we're gonna play this song in the key of G major just to be easier to see and play those chords. We have the chords G major, G, B, D, the same thing. And for the sus, we have G sus2 and D sus4. E minor, the same thing again, so E, G, B, E sus2, E sus4, C major, same thing, C sus2, and now a new chord, D major, D, F sharp, A, which we go to the middle note and down 3 keys, 1, 2, 3. Now we have the D sus2. And to sound better and to sound like a professional, you have to combine all those chords, means the sus chords and the regular chord, major or minor. To do that, just copy this pattern. So for the first chord, we're going to start playing first the sus2 chord and then the major chord or the minor chord. For example, in the chord progression of the song, I have the G major that stands for the first chord. So we start playing sus2 and then just move quickly to G major. So G, sus2, and then G major. It sounds like this. You can play just everything and then only move the middle note like I did, like this. Or you can play everything again with the left hand doing the root, like this. This is the first part of the pattern. For the second part, you play G sus4, and then regular chord, and then a sus2 chord, sounding like this. Playing the two parts of the pattern, we have sus2, regular, sus4, regular, sus2 again. For the left hand, you can play and hold it for all the parts, I mean the first and the second, or you just can repeat the left hand when you feel you have to fill some spaces between those chords and the song and the lyrics and so on, like this. And then just apply the same thing to the other chords. Following the chord progression, now you have the E minor. So I start again, play E sus2, and then move to minor. And then E sus4, minor, E sus2. The same thing. So sus2, minor, sus4, minor, sus2 again. Playing, doing the rhythm, we have and for the next two chords, I have C major and D major. But for these chords, I don't have so much time to play them. So I split the pattern in half, meaning I only play the sus2 and move to major, and then sus2 and moving to major again. So I'm playing this for C and D. And then to finish the chord progression, I have again E minor, which I'm gonna play exactly the way you did. That's it. Let me play now again the whole chord progression for you. We sound like this. And that's it. You can apply this technique for all the songs you want to play. But for now, let me play this song for you with the vocals.
Every breath you take and every move you make, every bond you break, every step you take, I'll be watching you every single day.
Now, the next step for you is to learn other types of chords. You can play things like this and sound amazing. To learn how to do that, I have a complete guide for you to learn other types of chords. And to watch this lesson, just click on this video up here. So thank you for being here, and I see you in the next piano tutorial.